Today, I'm showing you how easy it is to create a complete professional award presentation with this Burgundy Certificate Kit. Each set includes everything you need: 6 certificate holders, 6 matching certificates, and 6 gold foil embossed seals, perfectly coordinated for a polished look. Right away, you can see the quality. The holders are made from thick, linen-textured cardstock, giving them a premium feel and durability. The gold foil detailing adds a refined, elegant finish that really stands out. The die-cut corners are designed to fit 2 different certificate sizes, keeping everything secure and perfectly aligned inside the holder. The certificates match beautifully, with the same rich burgundy border and delicate gold foil accents. The paper has a smooth texture with fine, subtle lines, giving it that classic, official look. And the gold seals complete the presentation, embossed, shiny, and perfect for adding that final touch of authenticity. Everything is designed to work together, so your awards look consistent, professional, and memorable.